I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
May plano na tayong makipaghiwalay. Dumating na tayo dun sa part na this time tototohanin ko na, no? Dati kasi siguro sinasabi mo lang, gusto ko na makipaghiwalay, and then magkakaroon pa ng balikan kasi si person susuyuin ka, no? Parang this time napagod ka, and parang makikipaghiwalay tayo ngayon ng hindi na natin papagpaalam, and this is actually final. Yung plano natin dito, nasa sa atin pa lang. Of course, hindi natin na talaga sasabihin. We are being tempted to actually move forward with life nang wala si person. Siguro nandito ka sa part na relationship is not for me at this current moment. Siguro sa mga dadating na panahon, whether this is with the same person or ibang person, but ipagpapahinga ko muna, no? Ipapahinga ko muna yung puso ko. It seems like that you're really looking forward to something great. The greatness in here could be pursuing your own dreams, pursuing your passion, going back to school, pursuing a new career, or even going out of the country, no? Para kasing nakikita natin yung sarili natin na pag umaharap tayo sa salamin, we're not even the same person anymore. Hindi na natin din kilala yung sarili natin. Dumating yung part na mas pinapaboran natin si person kaysa sa sarili natin. Again, wala namang problema kung mahal natin yung tao, no? And it's okay to actually express our emotion, no? Which is gano'n naman talaga dapat kapag nagmamahal tayo. We expressed our emotion. Pero kasi dumating dun sa part na mas mahal mo siya kaysa sa sarili mo. With the positive movement forward, ang nakikita natin dito is, I wanna go back to my innocence, no? I wanna go back to the part wherein sabihin nating malaya ako, no? Malaya ako nakakapag-desisyon kung anong gagawin ko. Malaya akong makapunta, no? Kung saan ko gustong pumunta. Hindi ito pagre-rebelde dahil nagkaroon ka ng relasyon. Actually, okay sana sa'yo, no? If the satisfaction met, no? Kaso, nasasakal ka na, hindi ka pa nagpa-progress, no? So, with the 2 of Wands and the 9 of Wands, you actually saved the relationship. Meron ka pa ditong isang, kumbaga, pinaka-last chance, no? Hindi lang ito yung last chance. Kasi yung last chance mo, umabot ng ilang chance. Now, this is your last straw, no? Pag ito hindi gumana, then gagawin ko na yung matagal ko pinaplano, which is separating my person. The Wheel of Fortune. I feel like there's actually a lot of failures when it comes to finances in here. Siguro may mga promise si person na hindi, kaya ko yan, blah blah yada yada, and then sinasabi mo dito, pwede naman akong tumulong, no? Hindi naman yon kabawasan ng pagkatao mo kung tutulong ako, kung maghahanap ako ng trabaho. I want to live comfortably. And gusto ko sana kasama ka doon. Pero ayaw mo naman yata ako payagan, no, na either makapagtrabaho or umalis, no. With the Devil card and the Four of Pentacles, marami kang opportunities na nasayang. The Devil card, because your person keeps on promising something. Parang hindi naman na-deliver. Four of Pentacles, siguro meron tayo dito mga plans, dreams, tinago natin sa baul, no? We didn't even try to look back to it for a long time. Tapos ngayon, parang sinabi mo, sayang no? Kailan ko magagawa ito? Kung kailan hindi na ako malakas, kung wala na akong resources, kung hindi ko na kaya. With the Magician and the Five of Swords. Actually, feeling ko nga meron kagagawan din si person, no, doon sa mga failures mo. You tried probably, no, na gawin itong mga bagay na ito, pero parang siya mismo, si person yung lumalapit, ay hindi, wag mo siyang pagbibigyan, no, wag mong pautangin, or wag mong samahan pumunta sa ganyan. So parang si person pa ang pumapatay doon sa dream mo, no, parang si person pa ang tinitikis, ang hadlang, no, sa sarili mong progress. With the Seven of Cups and the High Priestess. Seven of Cups is clarified with the Five of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. Parang si person magaling sa umpisa na kapag hihiwalayan natin, doon magpapakita ng mga kabutihan, doon maglalabas ng kung ano-ano, it could be pera, it could be gift, parang patatahimikin ka, parang kang bata na sasabihin niya, umuuwa-uwa, so papadedehin, no? Pag okay na, gagawin na naman yung dati niyang ginagawa. Parang sa'yo, nakita mo na yung pattern ni person. Parang sa'yo, nakita mo na, ito pala yung ginagawa niya, ito pala yung, alam ko na yung pwedeng next move, no, ni person. So, kaya, I will keep this in secret. With the Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, and the Star. Alam mong kaya mo, alam mong meron ka mararating, no? With the Ace of Pentacles in here, there's a lot of abundance that's actually showing in here. The Ace of Pentacles, nasa baba pa siya, and in line with the Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune is a sign wherein things will just going to land on your lap, and this is something abundant. What is abundance to you, no? What is important to you? Abundance may mean literally money, no? For a lot of people, abundance may mean, sa akin kasi, peace of mind, my sleep, no? Yon, that's abundant for me. With the Queen of Cups, parang ang tagal kong inantay. And the Star in here, it could also be career, dahil nakakakita tayo ng improvement, acceleration in motion, nakakakita tayo ng mga rewards. Dun mo yata masasabi sa sarili mo na ang nagpapabigat, no, sa buhay ko is a person. I think that siguro if there will be a chance some other time na magiging kayo uli, I think that you would give this person another try kung makikita mo rin sa kanya yung improvements. However, for now, mas gusto mo muna siguro yung ako lang muna, no? Mas gusto mo siguro yung sinasabi mo, gusto kong makuha ang mga bagay sa sarili kong hirap. So, if you resonate in this reading, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron po kayong mga personal na katanungan, there's actually a link sa description box na ito. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Aquarius, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Scorpio. I am seeing Leo, Aries, yeah, Capricorn. I mentioned that. Virgo, I mentioned that. Uh, Libra. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.